Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep.
Ordering from Bath and Body. I just want to show y'all what I've gotten so far. When they have sales, some of this was $3.95. I think the soaps may have been $5. I just want to show y'all what I got. Some of this I use, some I give it as gifts. These two back here though, this is one of my favorite scents. You can't hardly find it anymore. So I had these, the freezer. It used to be sheer freezer, but I love it, love it, love it. You put it on and people ask all day, what is that you're wearing? It's just a fresh, clean scent. And I also have the body lotion. Now, sometimes this stuff be so old to have a funny smell to it. So that's why I want to go ahead and use it up. I think I may have gotten that either the beginning of this year, possibly last year. Hold on one second. I don't know if I need to back out some. Yeah. Okay, so let's start here. I have Relaxing Midnight Sky. These are soaps. Mahogany Teakwood. Graphite, that's for men. I have Beautiful Day. These are the body lotions. I have Into the Stars. Poppy. White Citrus. Whoops. Into the Night. And this is Pretty as a Peach. Okay, that's the body lotions. Here are my, let's get the room scents. I love these. I keep them in my purse, have them in my desk. I think I have one in my car. But I have here Chasing Fireflies. Champagne Toast. This is a mist, 1,000 Wishes. But this is Eucalyptus Spearmint. Fresh Fall Morning. Strawberry Pound Cake. White Tea and Sage. Love that one. Ocean. Laundry Day. Another Into the Stars. Mahogany Teakwood. That's a male scent. Okay, also I have the thing for my car. They had this on sale as well. So the scents I got for my car is Endless Weekend, Eucalyptus and Spearmint, and Crisp Morning Air. Okay, so here are my soaps, hand soaps. I have Crisp Morning Air again. I love that scent. Peach Bellini. These are hand soaps. Sweater Weather. Pomegranate and Blackberry. Chasing Fireflies. The Perfect Autumn. And this is Sunshine and Lemons. And then here I have the body cream. This is Nord, this for men. Butterfly. Uh-oh, sorry about that. Poppy again. Japanese Cherry Blossom. I heard somebody say it's for an old woman. I guess I am an old woman, huh? Fresh Water, that's for men. And, Into the Night. Oh, and here's another one. Eucalyptus and Spearmint. And that's it. I just want to show y'all what I got. So, these are the things I bought from Bath and Body. This is probably over $200 worth of scents, lotions, and everything. But a fun fact about me, I can't use their shower gel. My skin is just too sensitive. I can't, and people were like, you don't use it on your feminine parts. I can't use it on my body, period, because of the way my skin is. Even Dove soap. Like if you suffer with eczema, Well, for me, the only soap I can use that don't irritate my skin is the Dial Gold. Even the other scents cause my skin for me to get rashes. And it's been like that. So all I can use is Dial Gold. All right, y'all. So I just wanted to share. Again, I don't get very many views. A lot of people, 96% of the people come back every time I post but never subscribe. So I'm like, okay, why is that? So subscribe if you see something you like, and if you don't, I understand. But it's puzzling to me. Anyway, y'all be blessed. Make someone smile. Much love. Bye.